Decisions. A few of them we consciously make, and a few of them we are forced to take. And in between these two lies those decisions that we never make. Yes, a few decisions always remain pending, and we spend the rest of our lives pretending to be happy and joyful with what we get, and trying to cover up our regrets. The regret of not being able to take that decision just because we feared failure and did not have 100% precision. Now, fear of failure is just a name that we give to cover up our feelings of guilt and shame. We think that what if this did not turn out and I could not fulfill the task? I might be criticized, questioned, and forced to unmask. Now, there's one thing that I would like to ask. Why in the world do you need to wear a mask? Mistakes, failures, and imperfections are not demons. They are something that make you more of a human. So make sure to dance, take each and every chance. And when you decide to put your mask down, be sure that you are the first person who felicitates yourself with a crown. So the risk of not taking a decision is way higher than taking a wrong decision. Because when we don't take a decision, we are not sure that what is going to happen after that. But when you take a wrong decision, you are at least aware that what went wrong. So most of the times we choose not to make some decisions just because we fear failure. And when we go to the root, we go to a deeper cause, we find out that it is not actually fear of failure. It is fear of what other people will say. So just imagine if there would be no one in this whole world and it was just you. Would you take that decision? If the answer is yes, then you should go with that decision, because it is the other's opinion that is stopping you from taking that action. So fear of failure is just a cover-up which we use in order to cover up our fear of other people's opinions. Right. Now, let's go a level deeper to find out why do we care so much about what other people think about us. Like if you fail, why do you even bother what somebody is going to think about you? We normally like getting validations from the outside. So when we fail, we stop getting those validations. And when we stop getting those validations, we feel less confident, we feel disconnected, and we feel unsupported. So the best solution to feel supported, feel confident in absence of those validations is to start validating your own self, to start connecting to your own self. When you start connecting to your own self, when you yourself validate yourself, when you are the source through which you are getting your validation, you will no longer be searching for that satisfaction from the outside. And that is the moment when you will stop living your life for somebody on the outside and you will actually start living for your own self. Whereas right now what is happening is, just in order to seek that validation from the outside, we are living as per their terms, in the way that they like, in a way that we'll get appreciation from them. That is why we should live like this. But once when you realize that you can also live on your own validation, you can talk to yourself in a way that can give you that feeling of satisfaction, that inner contentment, you will stop living for them. And that is the ultimate key of life, validating your own self and taking decisions that you want in your life. Thank you.